So now let's see how we can work around with the offset effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and work around with the offset effect, you need to first of all go around onto effects and then go to distort. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that offset is an option. So once you go around onto offset, you can go ahead and change around the horizontal and vertical offset right here, as you can see, just by clicking and dragging it right here. So you can see that these are the undefined areas. So you can go ahead on to repeat as, let's say for example, then what happens is that the as gets repeated just like this. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and utilize the color and choose the color that you want to actually show right here when you work around with the offset right here, just like this. So you can utilize this slider to change around the offset effect right here, or you can also go ahead and enter out the value for the offset right here as well. So this is what you have, and then this is what you have right here, and you can see the details of this particular image underneath it. So you can go around and sift out the values by percentage of the dimensions right here, or you can go ahead and, let's say for example, utilize, let's say for example, pixel wise right here when you actually disable this right here. And that is how you can utilize the offset values inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.